under the Pinoy sun.
No?
Different format.
So today we're reacting to the new ABS-CBN Summer Station ID, Shine Pilipinas. It's sung by Liz Gwen, which Liz Gwen is the love team name of Lisa Soberano and Enrique Hill.
Enrique Hill. Yup.
Who?
Forevermore.
I have no idea.
Forevermore nga. Kasi hindi ka updated sa...
Have you watched Forever?
No, why are we reacting to the summer video? How often do they change videos?
During special...
Every season. So there's one summer and then one for the Christmas Station ID.
Walang
So,
in between?
for the 2 seasons of...
Huh?
Walang parang rainy season na Station ID. Dalawa lang talaga.
Sometimes meron, pero most often talaga, it's one summer and then the other would be for Christmas.
Why is this important to us?
Kasi... pero maganda siya actually. Or showcase na rin ng mga talents nila and parang recap kung sino ba
They were,
top sa showbiz ngayon or parang ganun. Sige, so
that's why
play
they
na
were
lang
also
natin.
able to build up the surface. Yeah.
Anyway, so are we gonna watch it?
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, play.
Find it.
Okay, mayon. May heart
Mind
din.
loading.
Oh, so si Judy, ano yung first star na lumabas?
Huh? Who?
May Judy. Ayan, si Lisa Soberano yan, Bryce.
It's a girl wearing white. So this
Si
girl,
Judy, anong girl wear?
the one in the plaid shirt.
Okay, so, Kathniel na.
No, there's a third girl.
Woo! Sorry.
Enrique Hill. Okay.
Wait.
Ang cute ng mga bata.
I like Katniel, I'm sorry.
The guy's singing, right? Then they're coloring.
Oo.
Are all of these people from the East?
Yes, they're talents of ABS-CBN.
All of them?
Yes.
Judy! Kasi ano?
Si Jody
All of
and
them?
sino yung lalaki? May love team na siya?
Yeah, all of them. Gerard! Si Gerard Anderson!
Yun, yung kasama
I'm
ni
seeing
Jody.
butterfly.
Yeah, Dream Dad. Tapos na,
Dream Dad, matatapos na siya
I
next
think they
week,
have
right?
telestudy.
What?
Yes, yes.
Sino?
Dream Dad. The one with Zaga Maruno
Pokwa,
and Judy
okay.
Gonzalez.
I don't watch local TV.
Okay, sobrang dami na ng artista. Okay.
Post Office!
National
National
Museum. At least showcase nila yung mga Philippine landmarks talaga.
Sorry, kala ko Post Office. Bakit hindi sa Post Office? Sorry.
Okay,
Siguro sa Kailoga, palakpak lang.
Maganda yung song actually. No?
oh, what's this place? Corridor.
Yung may lighthouse, no?
I was there.
Si Piolo, nagda-diving. Okay.
It's good that they're creating choral reef. They're trying to build choral reef. 4 dancers.
Sharon!
Actually,
Oh my
parang tourism video siya
Sharon
talaga.
Monet.
Si Sharon. Okay, mahaba yung hair niyan. Yung mga larong Pinoy.
I think
Si Atom.
they want to
Si Atom lumabas. Oh my gosh.
Ah,
Si Sarah din.
Bad girl.
Sino yung girl na kasama ni Sarah?
Si Janela?
Oo, Salvador.
you guys know more of these people than I do.
Okay, si
So,
Ann Curtis. Okay.
Ay, hindi siya si Janela. Kamukha lang niya.
Si Karil. Bong. So Showtime to.
Showtime.
Si Kim, parang fairy.
tumaba na siya ano, in fairness. So,
At least kahit yung news
Dead friendly.
part ng mga tao, andyan talaga sila. Kasi
yeah. They always have a part yung news. Pero ngayon kasi parang mas ginawa nilang comprehensive na sama-sama.
bayanihan din, cool. Mga Filipino values din.
Dude, this
Ano yung
video is
song?
really long.
Ano yung song?
It's too long.
Yeah, me too.
For me, the video is too long.
Pero hindi lang, kasi ito yung full video. Kung sa TV, kinakat-cut nila. Oh my gosh, may rap! May rap! English na rap. Medyo okay naman. Medyo weird, pero okay maganda. Tumad. Okay. Actually, yung song ni-release na a week before. Parang video lang. Kasi na Liz Gwen lang.
Hindi lang. Matagal. It's released even before
Yung building to,
the
maganda.
Holy Week pa. So matagal na.
Was it on the radio?
Si Vice, okay. Okay, see you, Samuel P. Okay, ang dami na. Sunod-sunod na naman. Okay, maganda yung instrumental part na parang sa garahe lang. Si Julina, oh my gosh, ABS na siya talaga. Lord. Okay. Sino yung love ni Julia Barreto? Hindi ko naalala.
Si Robbie Domingo.
Wow. Marami kita yung Don Richard na love team eh. So, isa yata yung sa mga inaabangan na part ng video.
Talaga.
So, okay. Wait, kailan naging kalbo si John Lloyd? Kailan siya naging kalbo?
Under the Pinoy sun. What's
Insert music.
insert music? What's next, Marla la la la?
Alright, this is one. It's fun. This is fun. Have you ever heard of crowdfunding?
Yeah.